A warm good morning to everyone. So I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Naveen Bishnoi, who is the General Chair for ITC 2020. So I request Naveen to kickstart day one of ITC 2020 conference.
Thank you, Nitin. Can you hear me well?
Yes, Naveen, you're all set.
Good morning.
All good to go.
Good morning, all. I welcome you to the fourth edition of ITC India 2020. I'm the General Chair for this event, and today morning, it's my privilege to do the plenary session to walk you through the highlights of the conference, as well as bring to you some visionary speakers to share with you their thoughts and a roadmap, right? To remind you, this is the fourth edition, and every time when we start putting in the conference, when we did last year, we were planning for something like this, right? This is how it looked like for the last 3 years. We bring up a lot of technical contents, we bring up all the minds together, and then we do put up a platform where what we call as the energy of similar-minded people gets us to the next level when we learn and share on the topics of VLSI testing, reliability, and the adjoining functional topics too. But the reality, what happened was a few months back while we were preparing, was that we had this situation called as COVID-19. We had to very quickly decide whether we want to push the conference out, but there was no date which was so-called as a comfortable date to be able to plan. We didn't want it to cancel it because there were a lot of authors and others who had put their effort, and then so we decided we'll go ahead and to do the virtual conference, and that's where we are. These are the snapshots of yesterday's session that we had. It looks very different from what it used to be, but nevertheless, we are still going strong in our intent to learn and share on the topics from the folks across the world. So thank you to everyone to be able to acknowledge the challenge that we have, but also come together to participate in this, right? Quickly, a background of ITC. We started in 2015 is when we reached out to a few folks who have been active in ITC worldwide. We call it ITC US. When we started discussing with them that how do we have a ITC India chapter or something equivalent to that. And these gentlemen who are the, I would say, part of ITC, TTC, and many others that who were advising us, and then based on multiple months of follow-up with multiple people, in November 2016, when the ITC US 46th edition was going on, we hosted a smaller event at the same time in India to launch what we call as ITC India from here. How did we do that? The ITC US was always there, and the intention to start with was saying, can we have a dedicated ITC India session in ITC US where we can have some participation? Can we do something in India? But as we move forward, looking at the number of papers that are submitted from this region, the number of participants, and amount of work that is being done in this region, all of us together felt very strongly that we should do a equivalent parallel sister organization and event in India. And that's how we formed the TTTC India as a sister channel of TTTC worldwide. And under that umbrella, ITC India came up with the first edition in 2017. Since then, we have made it an annual effort to keep going on that. And later that year, they also recognized with the manufacturing and the other ecosystem, they gave one ITC Asia to the rest of the Asia, where the countries like Taiwan, China, Japan, Korea, Singapore, they get together to form an ITC Asia every year. That happens in September. It's also an online event. ITC US happens in November every year. As of now, it's not clear whether it will be online or physical. But I urge you, when you look at participating in ITC India, have a watch on these two ITC events where there is more technical lessons, and experiences shared across the world. So with that background, let's get to the inauguration, right? The situation or an online platform should not stop us from not doing what we used to do when we were there, right? And it's my pleasure today to introduce to you Dr. Satya Gupta. He's our guest of honor. Most of you would know him. He's a techno-visionary, 30 years of experience in the global semiconductor, technology, and electronics industry. He had more than a decade of corporate career before he founded 5 successful startups in the chip design and electronic products. His latest startup, CDEAS, is focusing on products for healthcare, agri-tech, and environment. Most importantly, I think many of you would also know him with his active involvement across academia, industry, and government ecosystem for building a strong Indian electronics and semiconductors ecosystem. And that's what is called IESA, where he serves as the chairman and is also the president of VLSI Society of India. Dr. Gupta received his bachelor degree from BITS Pilani, master's from IIT Delhi, and PhD from the Dominion University, Virginia. He has won several accolades and is also the recipient of prestigious IEEE Gordon Bell Award for High Performance Computing, first to break teraflop barrier, and Lifetime Achievement Award for outstanding contribution to VLSI and embedded systems by Silicon India. Satya, we welcome you, and I request you to press the keyboard from your laptop to inaugurate the conference.
Good morning, and thanks to Naveen for nice introduction, and welcome everybody. We hereby inaugurate the 4th edition of the ITC India.
Thank you, Satya. Since you are here and then you have been seeing the ecosystem growing, I would like to hear your quick thoughts on the opportunities that we have, as well as how our initiative is helping in the bigger thoughts that you are putting together.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 4th edition of the ITC India. It's my great honor to inaugurate this 4th edition of ITC, and congratulations to the whole team of ITC India, including Naveen, Viresh, Nitin, and rest of the people who have done a fantastic job over the last 4 years to build this conference to a basically world-class standard. So I congratulate the whole team. The test is obviously a very integral part of what we do in any semiconductor design, and now it's becoming equally important for basically doing the similar kind of the formal testing for the embedded system also. So as the devices are becoming more complex, both in terms of the number of transistor count, functionality, the different computing paradigms, total new way of doing computing through for AI, ML, and neuromorphic. It's a very important and challenging area, which basically requires the huge amount of research and development to make sure that whatever we produce basically is tested well and testable. With that, basically, I won't say any word and keep myself in between, and the next keynote, which is basically coming up from the Chief Security Officer of Synopsys, Deirdre. So looking forward, and Ken from TI. So looking forward to hearing their talks about this thing. One more thing is that basically as test is becoming importance, the security is also becoming basically equally or more important, right? And that's why it's very welcome to see we have a Chief Security Officer in Synopsys, which was never thought of basically will happen 10 years back, right? So welcome, Deirdre. Welcome can, and welcome everybody to this 4th edition of ITC. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Satya. Thank you. Let's move forward. I'm also happy to announce that we had been publishing the proceedings of only the papers for some time, but as we matured, we are happy to announce that first time we are publishing a formal proceedings for the event. It has been sent by email to you, and it will be uploaded on the website as well once the conference completes. You can refer to it. It has details of all the tracks, the sessions, the speakers, the abstract, and we'll also be releasing the PDF versions of the papers that we can, along with these proceedings, for you to go and refer back to. Thanks to our fellowship and publications co-chairs, Dr. Shivnantam and Dr. Srirendri, for doing that. With that, let me invite my colleague Viresh Shetty, who is the Senior Marketing Manager for Mentor, a Siemens business. But for us, he's one person who gets everything done whenever we fall into any issues. He'll walk you through some of the conference statistics as he worked in the background to put this together. Viresh, welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Naveen. Good morning to you all, and welcome once again for this 4th IEEE International Test Conference India. Last 3 years, we have seen that this used to be a physical conference, and the kind of growth that we have had is we have started with a number of 150 to begin with, and last year we touched around 440 registrations. But since this was the first year where we had this as virtual, we were a little skeptical at the beginning whether we will touch the magical number of 440, which we did last year. But I'm really happy to say the entire team worked relentlessly, and we've touched a registration base of 500, and we had an excellent tutorial session yesterday. And if you see, not only registrations, we have seen a lot of participation as well. And in terms of saying the number of companies and academic institutes, we had over 120 plus companies and academic institutes participating in this particular conference. Plus, say, the good part was we had 80 plus, say, academic institutes being part of this conference, and we gave, offered 150 plus fellowship registration, which is a big number, and all the 150 registration did participate thanks to our fellowship co-chairs. And one new thing that we saw this year was the participation is across geographies, whether it's US, Europe, APAC, and India, which was always there. And to make it more interesting and make it more easy, what we did was we reduced the entire, registration fee by, 80%. And that really helped a lot of people to actually participate as well. So, and apart from this, these conferences wouldn't have been possible with our, support from sponsors. I would like to thank our sponsors, TTC, IEEE Bangalore, IESA, VLSI Society of India, and our supporters, Anora, Cadence Design Systems, Mentor, and Synopsys. In addition to this, I would like to thank each and every, participant, speaker, everybody who actually contributed this particular conference. And so there'll be a lot of virtual interactions, whether it's Q&As, you can actually post your questions live, and you can actually participate in a lot of polls. And there is the chat is disabled predominantly to avoid any disturbance whatsoever for any of the speakers. And one small request is please do not copy your record. And we do have the proceeding that will be shared for all registered participants. Over to you, Naveen.
Thank you, Viresh. Thank you. While we go through all of these, it's an important part to acknowledge the team which worked to ensure that the whole technical program come together. The team was led by Prakash Narayanan from Texas Instruments, Venkat Totakura, and Srinivas Buka. It's my pleasure to invite Venkat to walk you through about some of the details of the technical programs and what you should look forward for the next 2 days. Venkat?
Thank you, Naveen. Good morning, all. Welcome to the 4th edition of ITC India. A glance through the list of sessions planned for these 2 days reveals the amazing diversity of this conference. As always, there are honorable speakers from industry for 4 keynotes across 2 days. to share their views on industry roadmap, challenges, and advanced technologies. The ITC India has a special focus on there is something for everyone at ITC for a successful experience. This includes students, professors from universities, early and experienced professionals in industry. For early professionals and students, there are tutorials to choose from. We have successfully completed 6 tutorials yesterday, addressing a variety of topics such as basics of digital circuit testing, design of fail-safe IPs for automotive, advanced fault models covering digital and analog, and spanning terahertz testing. For experienced professionals, we have a rich technical program, comes with 4 tracks, and each track is having 4 presentations. These presentations include evolving areas of test security, 3D stacked IC test, analog and emerging circuits DFT, post-silicon validation, characterization, and DFT verification. In this edition, we have added 2 new tracks to the overall program. Those are Test Reality Check track and Academia Research track. These are new in this 4th edition. So to give a glimpse on what is TRC, success stories are published and innovations are patented, but debating on the problems or open problems is still limited internal to the organizations. Idea behind TRC track is to set a stage for an open debate to convergence or to collectively head towards a tangible solution on open problems. Another session is ART, Academia Research Track, is a platform of presenting late-breaking ideas, getting feedback on an innovative method, or participating without having to write a full paper. This is an initiative from ITC India to enable a platform to present creative research ideas from the students. We have planned very interesting panel discussion involving highly experienced industry professionals from IP, EDA, academia, product engineering, and design communities. I strongly recommend you all not to miss this session. And tomorrow, there is a special talk from NXP veterans on the topic of automated test equipment for automotive SOCs. Now, coming to technical program statistics. This year, we have received around 90 submissions or 90 to 100 submissions together from universities and industry. And each submission was reviewed by 4 reviewers before it got selected to the next level. There were around 70 reviewers participated in this process. On behalf of ITC India, my sincere thanks to all these reviewers and others who have submitted their proposals. Today, we'll be having 2 keynotes and 6 technical paper presentations distributed in 2 tracks, followed by technical reality check, that is TRC session, and finally we'll close the day with panel discussion. We have announced Best Paper of ITC 2019 award, and we want to let you, all the audience, to know that who is that Best Paper award winners. And it goes to NVIDIA team. Congratulations to others. And there are 2 honorable mention papers followed by the best paper. And congratulations to these others as well. And these 3 papers were eligible and direct entry to present in ITC USA 2019 conference, happened in November last year. As always, we'll be announcing best paper of this year ITC India by next month. All the best to the presenters. I'm grateful to the many experts who have come forward to share their knowledge in this conference. I'm sure you will have a fruitful and rewarding exchanges in these 2 days. I wish you every success and I look forward to learn about outcome. Thank you, everyone. Naveen, over to you.
Thank you, Venkat. Thank you. This was a lot of work that the team put together, and that's what you end up seeing in the last 3 days, but it takes more than 10 months to get this together.